Cover them up so you don't see beyond the mask. My world's a dying star. Falling for you has buried me in smoke.
Hey guys, what's popping? So we're currently at Nzulezu, the village on top of a lake, and we are currently going to enter a boat to get to that place. But first I have to tell you how exhausting this journey is. We traveled 6 hours just to get to this place to have an experience of what this place looks like, and I'm currently see it has to be worth it. As I say it right now, I'm looking forward. So many names. I'm looking forward to what this experience will be like. More than 6 hours just to get to this place. So let's go check out Nzulezu village, and the lake where the village is on top is also called Amansuri Lake. So we're going there to check out what the place looks like. I'm excited. So let's go. Don't forget, guys, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's very important. Ta-ta! So we're currently on our way to go and enter the boat, and I just want to give you a quick. Yes. So I just want to give you a quick information before I go into the boat. For foreigners, the fee to just go on the tour is 60 Ghana cedis, while for Ghanaians as usual is 30 Ghana cedis, and then to climb on the boat is 90 Ghana cedis. So everything together, you can just sum it up before coming. And we were told that there's an hotel there, so when we get there, we'll check out the hotel and see if we'll be spending the night over there, because we just spent hours on the road. We're not ready to go back, like spend another hours back. We'll just get home really late and exhausted, and then we'll try to check out other places that they have here. So with that being said, let us go.
Palm.
This place is so calm.
You call it raffia palm.
Raffia palm.
Yeah, so the branches are called raffia sticks. So the dry sticks, like the one you sat on to take
The
photo,
pictures,
yeah, it's what they use to construct their houses. We call them raffia sticks. And the fresh sticks, they use the outer layer to make baskets, local mats, and fish traps. And the whole stem has a wine.
Has wine.
Yeah.
Palm
so,
wine.
Yeah.
What is a fresh one in the
call it
village?
raffia wine.
What raffia wine?
Yeah, so the men, and also they use the leaves of the palm to make local roofing.
Local roofing.
Yeah. And the bare fruits, the fruits are not edible, but they use them to trap fishes.
They don't treat this water before drinking it.
Yes,
No disease, nothing. What?
That's what my father said. He said their body has built immunity against this water. If they use stranger, you try it.
This is a compound.
Yeah, one compound. A man and wife and kids on one lane like this. And these are souvenirs. They sell it. If you are in need of some, can buy. I know one car. Will be a car, no one.
Okay guys, so we are in Nzulezu currently, and the first thing that I set my eyes on was this beautiful art and craft work made with woods. You can see it's a boat with apparently these are meant to be persons, human beings and a fish come heading to this village, and this is how they are made. You can see the man crafting it with his tools and the wood. So how much is one of these things? 50, 20. So the prices, the big one is 50 cedis, the small one is 20 Ghana cedis. I would advise to come here. There's so many more things for you to see. So let's go as I gradually introduce you to much more sites here in Nzulezu.
Hello.
There's a church here.
Yeah.
What's the name of the church?
Roman Catholic.
Roman Catholic.
Roman Catholic.
Roman
But
Catholic. Is it Catholic?
It's the way he's pronouncing it.
Yeah, so this is Roman Catholic Church. They actually, this is a life on its own. They have a church here on, is it here on Nzulezu? So you saw people living, doing their work, and then next we have the church where people come to pray and give their thanks to God. Like I said, there are so many more things for us to see as we gradually walk into Nzulezu. So this is what the church looks like. Guys, so they don't have an hospital here, so they rely on the herbs to treat the sick. Apparently this one you see here, the red one can be used to cure pal, and this is their herb shop, their herbal shop. Different kind of herbs here, different drinks. Each and everything you're seeing here is meant for different diseases, different sickness.
And there's a new bar here. Let's go have it.
And there's a new bar, like he said. So
New bar in town.
the latest bar in town. So let's go and see what it looks like. Aqua bar to Nzulezu Eco Bar. They sell chill drinks here. You chill on the bar. You chill on the bar. Order for a drink. People sit on this thing. Let's try it. Yeah, my friend. It's too high. Okay. Oh, okay. Do you have straw? Please, let me have straw. Eyes locked. Ah, this is the room. Ew, it smells like good. Oh my god, this shit is. Wow, this is beautiful. The classroom is beautiful, bro. Good evening. This is beautiful. So this is the school.
Yeah. Primary 1 to 6.
Primary 1 to 6. Ah, I love how the chairs are neat. Like, wow. Well, finally alone, I want to give you guys a very important information on coming here. I don't think I ever mentioned that it takes 20 minutes to get to this place because it's dry season, so you have to walk a bit further, like 10 minutes, and then the boat takes 20 minutes to get here. 10 minutes, 15 minutes here about. And like I said earlier, the fee for foreigners is 60 Ghana cedis, and then for Ghanaians is 30 Ghana cedis. And then to climb on the boat with a tourist is like a tour guide is 90 Ghana cedis. So that is the cost of that's the amount we paid in total to get to this place. Now I want to bring to your notice that you recall that recently I was at Makoko, the biggest slum in Africa, like people living on water and all that. I'm usually amazed by all that. So when I went there, I could see, like, I saw that the place was dirty, not well kept. The government has been threatening to close down the place because of how dirty it is. Now you come here in Ghana and you see a different thing. Now the difference between makoko and Nzulezu that I've seen, I don't mean to compare, but I really just need to bring this to your notice. Now you see the schools neat with good tables and good classroom. You see the water is so clean that they even drink from it. You see people living lives, it's healthy. We are coming here, it smells, but not as much as it does in makoko. Like, it doesn't even smell that much. Like, I think it's just from the entrance that you could just get a little bit of foul odor, but then coming in, the smell just dies down. So I came here and I was wondering, like, wow, look at how they take care of this place. Like, this place is so neat, it's so clean, it's so well kept, it's so well taken care of.